Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're using a Milwaukee M12 battery charger and you see different lights turning on or flashing, it can be confusing because these indicators are the only way the charger tells you what's happening. Whether your battery is charging normally, fully charged, or facing an issue, each light pattern has a specific meaning. Many users get worried when they see blinking lights, thinking the battery is damaged, while sometimes it's just a normal charging phase. On the other hand, certain light behaviors can indicate problems like overheating, connection issues, or battery faults. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the common Milwaukee M12 charger light meanings and the exact steps to fix related issues. Try these. Step 1. Observe the LED light pattern and color carefully. Step 2. Identify if a red light indicates active charging. Step 3. Confirm that a green light means fully charged. Step 4. Let the battery cool down if blinking indicates temperature warning. Step 5. Clean the battery and charger contacts for proper connection. Step 6. Reinsert the battery and check if the light returns to normal.